I want to inform you that we are like running this whitewater rafting trip on Mhadei River with the permission of Go Tourism with the name of Go Rafting here. So we are organizing every day two trips. The first trip is at 9:30 in the morning, and the second trip is at 2:30 in the afternoon. It's a fun river. This year the monsoons were late, and we had yeah, the season was late actually. We started rafting late this year, somewhere like 7th of this July. And the good thing is, yeah, it's raining actually right now, and we are getting some good rain, and even the response is like very good. We're getting some nice numbers, good tourists like all over from all over the world. Uh, I also invite the local Goans here. Please come. It's your river experience. It's fun. Yep.
You feel?
It was really
Good,
fun.
yeah, it was really fun.
Huh.
It was fun swimming in the river.
So when you came?
I'm
United
from the
States.
US.
Yeah.
You're from? You're from
United States.
United States.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So how you know this place? How you knowing?
We're here we're interning in Bangalore, so we just come to Goa for vacation.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how is the experience on water rafting?
It was really fun.
Yeah.
Yeah. The tour guide or the guide was really nice.
Okay.